Hey, welcome all. Well, today I'm going to replace the engine air cleaner, air filter, whatever you want to call it, in this 2014 Honda Pilot. I open the hood first. Now the models from 2012 to 2015 are probably similar. To get to the air cleaner filter element, it's located in this air box here. Standing here on the driver's side of the vehicle, you can see one screw here, tight bolt, and one screw there. There's one right there, and there's another one right there. Loosen those four and the air cleaner will appear. These are 8mm screw type bolts, but I might be able to loosen them up with a screwdriver, as there is a slot in the head that accepts a screwdriver. Of course, it'd take a long one. I'm going to use my cordless screwdriver here and see if I can break them loose. They are on tight, but well, they are on so tight I actually broke that one. Look at that. Snapped it right off. No, that's not good. Okay. Let's see if the others will do better. Okay, that one's loose. That one's loose. And this one's not going to work. I'm going to have to go get an 8mm socket. Okay, I added a bunch of 1/4-inch extensions and an 8mm socket to my cordless screwdriver, and we'll see how this works. Okay, no problem there. Now I'm going to go ahead and loosen them up. Okay, the screws or bolts. Screws or bolts stay with the cover. They don't come out unless you break one off like I did. Okay, got them all loosened. Now this cover just lifts up, and has a flexible hose right here. Alright, this cover just lifts up, and you are able to see the air cleaner underneath. And yeah, I'd say this one needs to be changed. So what you do, just pull it out like that. And the rest of the dirt might fall down into the bottom of the box, but the new air cleaner will keep it from going into the engine. And here's the nice new one. So you just lift the box back up, and I believe you set her right down in there like that. It already has a rubber gasket on it, so you don't have to transfer anything. Then you put your housing back down over it. to make sure it fits up tight and snug. And all you do is reverse your screwdriver. Now, I'm going to go back with my hands, lock the screwdriver, and put them down to a little more tightness that I felt when I took them loose. Okay. It's on there. Feels good. If you got an air cleaner that looks this bad, and I did go a little more than 15,000 on this one, so definitely change it, and you'll watch your mileage improve and your performance improve. So thanks for stopping by. This is Cars, Trucks, and Detours, aka Steve AZ711. Till the next video, bye for now.